Just found out you're pregnant in Bozeman? Congratulations! Now you've got 80 tabs open on hospitals, doulas, midwives, insurance. Let's close every single one of them right now. Here's what we're covering in this video. Was 2 Bozeman birth options where you deliver, the 8 doulas and midwives you can work with, what everything costs, Montana Medicaid's current state, and a free app that builds your birth plans step by step. Let's start with where you can deliver. Bozeman Health Deaconess Regional Medical Center sits at 915 Highland Boulevard and serves as the primary hospital for all of northern Gallatin County, delivering roughly 1,200 babies each year. Their family birth center opened in fall 2020, featuring 8 private birth suites with several spa tubs for water labor. They have a level II NICU with 10 beds for babies born at 32 weeks or later, with 24-hour neonatal coverage on site. 4 full-time certified nurse midwives practice through Bozeman Health Women's Specialists, offering hospital-based midwifery alongside 9 OB/GYN physicians. VBAC is allowed with physician approval, doulas are welcomed as support persons, and lactation consultants meet with every postpartum family before discharge. Bozeman Birth Center on West Villard Street has been serving families since 2008 as the only freestanding birth center in the area. The center is staffed by a team of certified professional midwives and licensed direct entry midwives who provide both birth center and home birth options. Water birth is available in large soaking tubs at no additional cost, and the full care package runs about $7,200, which includes 13 prenatal visits, labor and delivery, and 5 postpartum visits with home visits for families within 30 miles. They accept Montana Medicaid and offer CREDI financing, early pay discounts, and health share program acceptance. Free consultations and childbirth education classes are available to the community, and doulas are required for first-time out-of-hospital births. Emergency transfer protocols are in place with Bozeman Health Deaconess just minutes away. Bozeman has 8 experienced birth doulas, postpartum specialists, and midwives ready to support you. Julie Humphrey brings 19 years of experience with packages starting at $2,100. Hannah Genoway offers birth and postpartum support for $1,200. Kirsten Robinson provides affordable doula care at $800. Jessica Energy serves the Gallatin Valley with comprehensive packages from $1,745 to $3,495. Heather, Ariel Schlender, Tree of Life Family Care, and Wildly Essential round out the directory with services from labor support to lactation consulting. There's someone for every family and every budget in Bozeman. Here's the part every Bozeman mom should know about. The True Joy Birthing app is completely free. No account, no catch. 9 guided sections walk you through your entire birth plan. You can find and message doulas and midwives near you right inside the app, and connect with local options like Julie Humphrey or Wildly Essential. Then export your plan as a PDF to share with your provider. It's the tool every mom needs in her pocket. Here's the reality. A doula in Bozeman typically costs $800 to $3,000. Most doulas offer payment plans and some accept carrot insurance. Midwifery care runs $6,500 to $8,000 for home birth or birth center care, with Bozeman Birth Center's full package at $7,200. Many midwives accept insurance or health share programs. The investment is real, but living in Montana where costs sit 29% above the national average, having clear cost transparency is essential. Montana Medicaid does not currently cover doula services. SB 319 was passed to authorize doula Medicaid reimbursement, but implementation is paused due to federal budget uncertainty. Montana Medicaid does cover out-of-hospital midwifery through licensed CPMs at birth centers like Bozeman Birth Center. Private insurance may cover doula services, and Carrot specifically does cover doulas, so it's worth a call to check. The app has resources to help you navigate your options, including doulas who offer sliding scale fees and payment plans. A birth plan tells your care team exactly what matters to you. In Bozeman, that might mean planning for the quiet mountain evenings or preparing for the busy MSU family crowd. You can build yours with the free PDF birth plan, watch our walkthrough series, or use the mobile app. It's all free and it's all ready for you right now. We'll put the link below.